Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily enable or disable share item location on your RSH SmartTag iTag 03. So as you guys can see here, we have the iTag 03. It's a very cheap alternative to the AirTag. It works the same, it works with Apple Find My, and it's compatible. So now let's go over to items, let's click it, and if you haven't set it up yet, then there's a tutorial on our channel on how to do that. Now here in the lost item, we will have the share item location. So as you guys can see, you also have it here. You can add a person to share the item location with, and here in case of losing it, then you can allow others to locate them. But there's a catch, you cannot do it when your AirTag is close to you. As you guys can see, it only works when the item is lost and not located in any close proximity to us. So you need to actually lose it to use it, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.